Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya hlaziya.
Guys, on our live yesterday, we were still crying. Someday must free Ntanzi, and I even said, I want to be there when he's freed. Oh, you are You'll never have drama like that person. You thought Gelinda had drama. I definitely had a cup. But Surata guys must recuse himself from this case. I'm just like, I'm done. Bye. Barurata guys remember I said last week, you know what's gonna happen? Is 80 years old this year. Just as much as I said I don't know his birthday, but he couldn't just before June, and we will be now low 80. Go to now 80 this year. Anyways, guys, it doesn't matter. And then I said last week he's gonna start hallucinating in court. Not I'm disrespectful. Someone once said in the stretching rata, we are disrespectful. It's not disrespect, guys. It's the truth. Urasa must stay at home now and retire. Already Urata umqoshile uMalisela Defambizele security there at the court. He couldn't enter. Ngoba Urata befanele actually agcine today. A court angaphindeza. As per Def. Guys, ngangitheni nako ama allegations ukuthi uRatha vele wathola 35 million if he rules against labo accused about 5, which he did though. Akhumbula ku trial within a trial. uRatha guys ayibazongena enkingini uRatha cabanga uzoboshwa na 8. So they had said ukuthi uRatha must rule in favor of the state on trial within a trial and finally actually 35 million. And angazi guys, like I said, there's a video that I did about 2 weeks ago where I was talking about prosecution, saying NPA is busy with prosecutors. Ngize ngithi ngicela babe busy nobaloyi futhi uRatha ngambala after. Ngasi ngicela babe busy nje nebank account kabaloyi. Cause ubusy ulibele actor sengathi ihol nami ngayizwa somewhere in some movie kodwa busuke uphuwa ngesi-Nigerian somewhere. So ulokele exasengathi ihol and unemali ubaloyi ungalingi, don't get him wrong. Yena benoRatha uzokhipha uRatha ubekela lo 35 million ilobe fanele banika uNtanzi accused number 1 and 4 mina ngokwami. They must just be given that money and go home. So manje the question is uRatha wayithola into malike ngoba vele wathi warula in favor of the state wathi uNtanzi accused number 1 umuzi kakhulu Sibiya. They agreed on those confessions. They were right. They were in the right state of mind. There was nothing wrong with them. They were sober. So they agreed. They signed the confessions. Yes, we did actually analyze Senzomeo. Those all who stood up last week was just like, please, can Ntanzi stop going on like that and be saying, oh yeah, yes, I didn't know Senzomeo, I didn't analyze him. So angazi ngempela ubaloyi we express ukuthi uNtanzi fanele sini, guys. Like honestly. So guys, the question is, did Ratha get the 35? No wonder Ratha as a court. She is just like, oh, I'm chowing the money. I'm chowing the money. Oh, it's no, we'll just continue, guys, ukuthi sikhulekele abantu from uNkulunkulu wethu wasemandulo. Like uPhila Dlozi will say. Sikhulekele the meyiwazi, sikhulekele o accused, the ones that deserve to be home. Yeah, no, it's time, eh? It's imminent. Yabona ukuthi arrest ziseduze mase qhamuka iDore kanje ngoRatha. Ayishilo ngathi uyadla envelope ingena ngaphansi kwetafula. There is no way, guys. uRatha nobabakhe uJustice Mlambo bazoboshwa. uDefo uvele nje wabavulela icase bonke labantu. He's just like, I'm not playing with you. Sikhathele. I knew he was gonna take drastic measures like that. I've always known ukuthi uDefo uzovela thathe ama drastic measures like he has now. Bazoboshwa, guys. uJP umuntu kaRatha, Justice Mlambo, bazoboshwa, guys, those people. uDefo is just gonna make drama around that. Kanye no Aubrey Lidwaba. What in the HELL these people have they done? Benzeni. Guys, so at that time we were still listening to Ntanzi. Ntanzi was still continuing to expose the state and the lies. Zazungu. Ntanzi say, I heard him this morning. After the court adjourned, without telling us anything, when they came back, Untanzi was just like, I do not know Usizwe Zungu, Constable Lo Namanga Angimazi. I don't know that person, and I had never seen him. Lo muntu lo Angimazi. Why does he claim? I know the dad though. Yamazu Absalom. I just don't know him. Absalom grew up in the same school village in English with me, you know. So lo umtanaki, I don't know that person, but I know accused number 1 though. All attorney Ramusipili no Bongani Ntanze are trying to prove here Uguti. The confessions, guys, were not voluntary and free. Although it was happening, they're funneling, showering, all sorts of things to agree to something I don't know anything about, like unaliving Sanzo Mayu, you know. So that's all they've been trying to prove there. No pro forma bapumela pazati Ntanzangazi pro something. I cannot remember. That was Ntanzi's words. It was just like angazi. Bamsiza Jonas had to help him, the interpreter. No, attending Ramasepilot. No, pro forma. That's what's going on there. When you are blinded, last guys, if people are gonna go on like this and take and arrest people that didn't do anything, that's just not right. And judge wrong I guess. But at this point, when is Brigadier Bongani Kininda going to be arrested, guys? That's all I want to know.